What is up, guys? Lewis Howes here. Thanks so much for checking out this very special video today. There are so many ways to make money online, thousands of ways. But in this video, I'm going to share with you my top 10 ways to make money online. The first and easiest way to make money online, in my opinion, is with teaching and training. So Phoenix University does a great job of this. They teach people and they have classes online. Also, another great example would be my good friend Marie Forleo, who teaches female entrepreneurs how to build and grow their business online through different ways of teaching them. Very excited about this. Something I've been doing for 5 years now is teaching people about different topics on how to grow your business online. So teaching and training would be number one. Number two would be providing a service. Now this is for people that really maybe don't have a lot of money to get started or not really sure what to do. You can easily provide a service and start making money online. So my podcast editor has an amazing business where he is editing a lot of different podcasts and building his business around a service. His name's Ian Robinson. If you're a graphic designer, you could build websites or do graphic design. You can do lots of different things around service. You could do transcribing of people's audios. So again, it's a great way to get started is offering a service. Number three is creating and selling products. So again, if you've got content, you can package it into a book, into a DVD, into a CD, into a lot of different products that you could sell online. HubSpot has an amazing software where they're selling their software each and every month to different business owners. So think about different products that you could create and sell online. It's a great way to make money. Number four would be membership sites and continuity programs. So Ramit Sethi from IWillTeachYouToBeRich.com has got a great membership site called Ramit's Brain Trust. So that's one option for membership sites, or some type of continuity program like iContact or Aweber. These services have a continuity program each and every month for you to do email marketing. So membership sites and continuity. Number five would be affiliate marketing or selling other people's products. So Nick Reese, a friend of mine, has done an amazing job of learning how to do affiliate marketing by building websites and creating content that is highly ranked in search engines and then sells other people's products where he gets a commission. Also, Pat Flynn from smartpassiveincome.com does an amazing job with this, and he actually shows each and every month how much he makes from all the affiliate marketing that he does. So again, affiliate marketing, creating content and selling other people's products, services, and software is a great way to make money online. Number six would be building a site and selling ads. So my good buddy Derek Halpern did this when he first started out. He actually started a celebrity gossip site and had millions of visitors each and every month and sold advertisements on that website based on the traffic he was getting. Also, Tina Sue from ThinkSimpleNow.com does an amazing job with this as well, creating empowering, inspiring content and then selling ads through there as well. So build a site and sell advertisements. Number seven is selling sponsorships for branded contents. So another great example would be John Lee Dumas from EntrepreneurOnFire.com and Entrepreneur on Fire podcast. He's making over $50,000 a month right now selling sponsorships for his specific podcast and for his website. So this is a great way to get creative around what content you're creating and then finding the brands that you could sell packaged sponsorships to for your content. Number eight is events. Now this could be online events or offline events, but creating and promoting events. Michael Stelzner from SocialMediaExaminer.com is a great example of this. He has a live event each year. As the last event he had over 2,000 tickets sold for a very high-end ticket price. Now he does live events, but he also does online workshops each year as well. And he's built a pretty significant business by simply hosting events and selling tickets. So create an event in your local market. It could be nationally, it could be regional, it could be globally. whatever you want to do, create and sell events. Number 9 would be masterminds and coaching. So a good friend of mine, an example would be Jonathan Fields from goodlifeproject.com, where he's got a year-long mastermind and weekend retreats of coaching. So each month he's got coaching, he's got retreats that brings all of his community together, and he's got a year-long mastermind that he sells for a high ticket price. So masterminds and coaching. And finally, number 10, top 10 ways to make money online would be just getting creative with how to make money. So another good friend, Jason Sandler, did this from iwearyourshirt.com. He actually sold his own last name for over $45,000. Last year, it was jasonheadsets.com was his name, and he did that for $45,500. So he also had other creative ways where he sold himself. He sold t-shirts. Every day he wore a new t-shirt with a brand, and he made money off of selling t-shirts that he wore. So you can get very creative. It doesn't have to be the traditional way of creating products or selling a service or having a membership site. You can get creative like Jason did and make a lot of money by just being creative. So again, there's thousands of ways to make money online. These are just my top 10. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any other creative ways to make money online, please leave a comment below this video. Share with me your thoughts on how you can make money online. I'd love to see what you have going on. And stay tuned for the next video. Got some more great stuff coming soon.